Legal dictation. 5 seconds. Start. The Supreme Court has ordered the Bihar government to clear unauthorized constructions from the floodplains of the Ganga, especially in and around Patna. The order came on an affidavit filed by Bihar identifying 213 unauthorized constructions near the river. The state said it was taking measures to remove the encroachments. A bench of Justice Aniruddh Bose and Augustine George Mesh directed the state government to file an affidavit informing it about the removal of identified illegal structures. The state shall also ensure no further construction takes place adjacent to the Ganga, particularly in and around the city of Patna, the bench directed. The top court was hearing a plea filed by Patna resident Ashok Kumar Sinha against the June 30th, 2020 order of the National Green Tribunal dismissing his plea against illegal construction and permanent encroachments on the eco-fragile floodplains. The plea contended that the tribunal passed the order without examining the detailed particulars of the violators encroaching upon the Ganga floodplains in Patna submitted by the appellant. The illegal and unauthorized constructions and permanent encroachments on the floodplains of Ganga are creating tremendous amounts of waste, noise, and generating vast quantum of sewage. The plea filed through advocate Akash Vashisht said they are aggravating the risk to life and property of the dwellers occupying the surroundings, since every year the areas stated in the preceding paras go down under flood waters. The illegal constructions were obstructing the natural course of the river, it said. The plea said they were causing deleterious environmental impacts on the rich biodiversity and destroying the habitat and thereby the very survival of dolphins, a Schedule 1 species under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, on the stretch. The plea stated that the tribunal failed to note the fact that a clean Ganga river was vital and essential to meet the drinking and domestic water needs of the 5.5 lakh population of the city, as the groundwater in the district was contaminated with arsenic. A massive 520 acres of ecologically sensitive Ganga floodplains stretching from Nazir Ghat to Nupur Ghat in Patna have been usurped. This stretch is prone to recurrent floods every year. A multi-story building belonging to the Takht Shri Harmandir Sahib has further come up since 2017 and parts thereof are still under construction, the plea said.